Some examples depicting covalent bonding. Formation of hydrogen molecule H2. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, electronic configuration is 1. It means it need one more electron to complete its shell. Okay, so two hydrogen atoms share each of their electron to form a molecule of hydrogen. Thus each hydrogen atom attain the nearest noble gas configuration, that is helium. Configuration of helium having two electrons in its k shell. Valence electrons are depicted by using crosses. You can see here, before combination, hydrogen, two atoms are having one electron. After combination, they are sharing their electrons. So now it becomes hydrogen molecule. So these two are shared electrons. The shared pair of electrons constitute a single bond between two hydrogen atoms, which is represented by a single line between two atoms. So instead of this one, we can write like this. So this type of bonding is called single bond showing H2 molecule. Means in one molecule there are two hydrogen atoms and they are sharing one electron each. So because of this one, this bond is called single bond. If it is double bond, two lines are shown. If it is triple bond, three lines are shown. Formation of chlorine molecules Cl2. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. Electronic configuration is 2, 7, 8. It means it has 7 electrons in its outermost shell and thus require one more electron to fulfill its outermost shell. This is achieved by sharing one electron with another chlorine atom, forming a chlorine diatomic molecule, that is Cl2. So you can see here, before combination, right, this chlorine atom has 7, this also have 7 outermost electrons. So next, here you can see here they are sharing one electron, right? So this is called chlorine-chlorine bond. Single bond is formed here. So this covalent bonding in Cl2 molecule. See here, water molecule. In water molecule, what happens? Hydrogen has two hydrogen have one electron, and oxygen will share one electron with each hydrogen. So there will be bonding like this. You can see here two electrons, here two electrons, right? So two single bond is formed with each hydrogen atom in case of water molecule, right? It means oxygen has two electrons. So these two electrons are shared between two hydrogen electrons separately. Okay.